Chapter 6. Insects, Birds and Water Animals. We have already studied about domestic and wild animals. Now we will learn about some other kinds of animals that exist on the earth. Insects. Insects are very small land animals. They have 6 legs. Some insects have wings too. Wings help them to fly. Cockroach, butterfly, ant, and mosquito are insects. Some insects have feelers on their heads. They can feel with them just as we do with our hands. Birds. The most beautiful animals on the earth are birds. Birds fly in the sky. We love to see them flying, chirping, and singing melodious songs. Birds have feathers and wings on their body. These feathers and wings help them to fly. Crow, pigeon, sparrow, eagle, vulture, and parrot are examples of common birds. Some birds like ostrich, penguin, and kiwi cannot fly. Most birds build their nests in trees. The female bird lays eggs in the nest. Baby birds hatch out of these eggs. A bird uses its beak to catch and eat food. It also uses it to protect itself. Some birds can swim in water. Duck, goose, and swan are the birds that can swim in water. Water animals. Some animals live in water. Some live in ponds, lakes, and rivers. Others live in the salty water of the sea. Fish live in water. They swim with the help of fins. They breathe through gills. They breathe inside water. They breathe air dissolved in water. Others, such as whales, have to come up to the surface of the water to breathe. Shark, lobster, dolphin, octopus, crab, and whale are some other water animals. Points to remember. Insects are small animals with 6 legs. Some insects have feelers on their head. Some birds like kiwis, penguins, and ostriches cannot fly. A bird uses its beak to catch and eat food. Fish swim with the help of fins.